Okay, so Cuba day 3. It is so cold. So cold. Do you hear that wind? This is Cuba day 3. It's a pretty gloomy day today here in Cuba. It's been raining all morning. It's been super windy, and I kind of forgot to check what the weather was going to be like when I booked this trip, so I don't even think I'll be able to make it to the beach, but I'm still going to enjoy as much as Cuba as I can. Today, I think I'm going to go to Old Havana. Even though you want to go to Old Havana when it's bright and sunny, you can smoke your cigars. You know what's fucked up? I bought all these cute floral pretty outfits that you see, like, you know, oh my god, I have to be dodging potholes and puddles, but you know, you see those like cute outfits, like cute floral sexy outfits, very fun, flowy, blow in the wind type outfits. Yeah, don't think I'll be able to wear any of those because it's kind of cold and it really doesn't fit for the weather. So I am going to attempt to run across the Malecon without getting wet. I'm in this taxi right now heading to Old Havana. Like I said before, it's a pretty crappy day, but let's see what we can make of it. There's the Capitolio, and I had to put my sweater on and my jacket on because, like I said, it is cold. A gloomy day in Cuba today. Right now, I think it's about 6 p.m. I'm gonna eat from morning. I don't know what to eat. I don't want any more pig. I don't want any more of that big pig with the glasses and the hat. No more pig on this trip. Oh my god. Mood up here right now for say a jerk chicken, man, or even a peanut, man. A while ago I saw like, you know, when you go town or whatever, you see like the little stall set up, and I looked at it. There was no grita cake, there was no pink and white something, there was no, you know, peanut with a sweet something. Oh my gosh, there's no roasted peanuts, there's no mango, there's no June plum. What I could pay right now for eat any of that, because the chicken look like jerk chicken, but not a jerk chicken. I don't know what that, yo, but right now I just really could I deal with some rice and peas and some curry goat and dumpling or something. Oh god, I don't even know what to eat. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. What is it? Oh, he can't even understand me. Can I get one? Oh my god, this better be like chips or something. My first meal of the day. Thank you. So this is what I just bought. I don't know what it is, but I'm hungry. I mean, it's like, I don't know what it is.
Jamaica, eh?